Hey everybody, so my last video, I'll link it up in the corner if you want to check it out. I opened these handcuffs using this key ring that I bent up years ago. And I got a comment saying they want to see how I did that, and also that they weren't double locked. They weren't double locked because I didn't have a key. Dug through all my stuff, found the rest of my handcuffs with some keys, so now I can, double lock them and not be afraid I'll get stuck in them. So the way the double locking works, handcuffs, will push through. They only stop at your wrist, so they don't go all the way through like that. And what the double lock does, it's actually with this post on the back of the keys for anybody, anyone was ever wondering, but it actually pushes this little button in right there, and now they won't get any tighter or looser. So they're going to put you in the back of the car. They don't, you don't move your butt around and clamp them down on yourself. So to unlock the handcuffs, you normally would just, if it's single lock, you would just turn it this direction. They would unlock, but since it's double locked, we've got to go the other way. And the double lock's at the top of the keyway there, and it pushes the pin out. And now they're only single locked, and then you can actually unlock them. So we'll see if we can do this real quick here. That's how the police put them on. So that guy's single locked. And I'll put this one on. So now they're single locked. So now we'll take our little post here and push push the button in, so now it's not going to get any tighter. And we'll double lock this one. Alright, so now they're both double locked. And now get a key ring here, so don't need keys on it. I guess unless it was a handcuff key, right? Okay. Bend this out. And you can kind of use the handcuff to make this if you need to. And you push on your wrist a little bit. Not the most comfortable thing in the world, but I guess it builds character. And for the double lock, the double lock is actually where the piece is at that pushes. It's actually all the way up here at the top. So our tool that we make has to be able to go in. All the way to the top here. I actually tried to make a video like 5 years ago doing this behind my back, and I got it done. Check the footage, and basically you got me move my hands completely out of frame. A nice long video of my rear end, and since it wasn't that kind of video, I never did post it or try it again. So I got the double lock there. You see it pushed back up. So now the single lock on the other side here, and for the single lock, you got to actually put tension on it with your wrist. So when you do push the lever out of the way, or the paw out of the way, I guess it would be, that the cuff actually comes off. See, I just released it one, but I wasn't putting enough pressure for it to come off. Okay, there we go. So that one's off. And the double lock, you know, it is all the way up here. That's where it's at. Oh, this one's too beat up or something here. It doesn't seem to want to fit. It's kind of funny that one hand free and using my good hand here, having more trouble than with them handcuffed using my offhand. There we go. Let me get it in there like that and don't get it. There we go. Got it. Got my tool stuck in there too. Kind of wanted that post is like moved a little bit or bent or something. Pushed over a little bit because it seems like it's a lot tighter on that one than it is on the other cuff. I guess if you're claustrophobic or something, this might not be good either, but we're almost home here. Boy, oh boy, I need to practice this more. Haven't done it in a long time until this afternoon. Doing my stock lock Sunday video. Holy cow. Boy, this doesn't want to let me go. Yeah, a long time ago too, when I was actually probably around 5 years ago too, when I was screwing around with the other video. There we go. I actually broke one of these in a handcuff and had a hell of a time getting it off, even with the key. I just broke a little piece of metal off, but anywho, so that's off anyway. And so for everyone that wanted to see, that's a tool made, and you know, the double lock unlocked and gotten off. And well, like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, and we'll talk to everybody later.